my chosen topic is, how do you treat changing requirements? Are they good or bad? For me, changing requirements are good because you have to consider the demands of every customer, or you should meet their demands. Changing requirements must be prioritized by the agency in order for them to meet the demand of their customer and for their agency to be competent to other one. But changing requirements is not really 100% good because you must also see to it that consider the disadvantage. For example, the cost benefit. Does the agency have more budget to produce the change requirement asked by the customer? Does the agency have more manpower to meet the demand of the customer with the changes they needed? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Maureen Bayawa, and my chosen question is, how do you prioritize requirements, and what are the techniques in prioritizing requirements? First, in prioritizing requirements, you must know what are the you must have to know what are the risk requirements that you should do first before developing the others, because you must have to prioritize the risky one in order that you will be able to develop all the requirements needed. And the technique there is, you must have to, first thing first, you must have to do the first thing before others. And for example, your requirements has dependencies. You must have to do what the organization needs before doing the other. For example, the McDonald's company has these French fries. For example, they have small, medium, large. Of course, the prioritized size there is the large one, because both the user or both the customer and the company will get benefited, because they will earn high cost, or what do you call this, profit. That's why they prioritize the large one, or they advertise the large one, because they know that the customer will be benefited more than the small one. Thank you.
San River Cortino, I will discuss the state diagram and class diagram in software engineering. First, this state diagram is used to describe the behavior of the system, the interaction of the user to the system. For example, this is your system. The interaction here is you unlock the system by swiping the user in the touch screen like this. Then it goes. Second, class diagram. The class diagram is different classes of the system, the subclass, the method, like that. First, the class diagram, for example, in a separate box, the first layer is the name of the system, and the second is the attributes, and the third part is the method or operations. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Brian J. David, and the question that I've chosen is, can you name a number of non-functional requirements? In software engineering, the non-functional requirement is a requirement that specifies the criteria that can be used to judge the operation of a system rather than the behavior or the specific behavior of the system. In general, the non-functional requirement is a system that defines the system what's supposed to be. Unlike in functional requirements, it defines how the system is supposed to do. In other words, the non-functional requirement is often called the qualities of a system. It can be divided into two main categories. First is the execution qualities, such as the security and the usability. And the other one is the evolution qualities, such as the maintainability, the extensibility, and the scalability. It is also or sometimes called the entities because from the attributes portability and the stability. That's all. Thank you.